Alright boys, taking the intermission between chainsaw rounds. Here we are. I'm going to show you a nice little piece of equipment over here. If you're familiar with it. Those bad boys right there. It is a Deere. There, some farming equipment. I'm sure phallic symbol right there. The kind of thing that I need to drive around to make up for, shortcomings. Look at that. Jason knife. This would actually be a perfect way to end a Friday the 13th movie. You know what I mean? Check it out, boys. There's this thing's got some wear to it. It's even got the key in there. Could just start it up. There's the gears. Another gear right there. Right there. Look at that. Doing some cultivating out here. That's right. John Deere, boys. Oh yeah. Look at that. John Deere. Lights right there. See what it looks like on the top right here. All right, boys. Time to do some more chainsawing. Right, Swift.